So there is this new app and everyone on the crypto Twitter is going crazy about it, and it's called a Warpcaster. It's basically a decentralized Twitter type social media platform, and you can see even the Vitalik is really bullish on it, and he claims that the app will not die in 4 months or even in 1 year. And he's basically comparing this to a Friendtech, which was a popular social media platform where you could get money with buying and selling your own keys. I don't know, maybe you remember it, but this Friendtech app basically died after 4 months or 6 months or something like that. And the bullish news is that you can make some big money early, and there are many examples and many people that have made thousands, even I think $12,000 since the app is running. That's why I will recommend you to not just fade it, just download it, or I think you can access it on desktop as well. So just check it out and dive in and just explore and do your research. And that's the only way you can actually make some gains or be early in something. You just have to dive in before the masses comes in, and that's basically my recommendation. And one of the bullish things about this app compared to the Twitter or the X, doesn't matter how you call it, the bullish thing is that they are not suppressing the links that you post. You still get the same engagement as you should, depending on how many followers you have. This is not the same case on the Twitter. It basically shadow bans if you post links to the external websites, which is sad in my opinion. And my understanding is that you can integrate or add your ENS names to this platform, Warpcast, which is bullish because I don't think Elon Musk is really interested in NFTs or crypto or ENS related stuff on Twitter. And if you don't know anything about ENS, Ethereum name service, I will make another video and explain why I'm so bullish on the ENS names, ENS domains. And another bullish sign is that there are many respectable and huge big profile people already going and moving to the Warpcast platform because it's decentralized, as many people are claiming. For example, you see Balaji, the same Vitalik, G Money, which is big in the NFT space, Zeneca, Jack Butcher, and many more. And if you're interested to check this app, I have the link in the bio, so just check it out. And yeah, I will make more updates about this app and the whole protocol, because there are many applications on this Farcaster protocol. It's not just a social media platform. It's basically a huge network with many, even like Discord, like decentralized platforms. And yeah, my advice is just jump in, do your research, don't fade this new space that even people like Vitalik are bullish on. And yeah, I will make more update videos as we go. And yeah, subscribe, and thanks for watching.